Hey everyone, it's Leanne here. Most of you probably know me as Lovely Scrappin' on YouTube. I wanted to come back and make a quick video and give you a little update on where I've been. So I did take some time off YouTube, as most of you have realized, to basically raise my family. I wanted to spend some good quality time with my family. We had a third child, and so we moved. There was just a lot going on. I don't have a dedicated room for my craft area, so I wasn't able to produce any creations or video work or anything like that, and I was just really busy, so I needed a break. However, this past, I don't know, few months since the pandemic hit, I needed some kind of a creative outlet for me to do as a stress relief. I mean, most of you artists out there know that creating is just a wonderful therapeutic way to relieve stress and just get your mind off of things. So I really felt that I needed that. And so I was sitting with my kids and we were drawing and picked up a pencil and I just started drawing an eye, and my daughter was like, "Mom, that's really good." And honestly, you guys, I haven't picked up a pencil since high school, and I'm not going to tell you how many years ago that was. I don't want to date myself here. But anyways, it's been a long time. So I picked up a pencil and I haven't been able to put it down since. My videos that I'm going to be posting will be related to my drawing. I've been really focusing on graphite drawing, and I've tried a little bit of charcoal, and I'm learning along the way, and I'm really loving it. So if you guys want to see some of my art that I've recently created these past 2 months, just keep watching this video and I'll insert a little slideshow of my portfolio so far. So I'd really love it if you guys would follow me on Instagram. I just set up a new account there. It's lovely_art on Instagram, and I'll post a link up on the screen here and also in the description box below. So you'll be able to follow me there. That's where I'll be most active in terms of where I am in my progress in my art, and just some quick photos of what I've been doing. I'll also link my Facebook page that I've dedicated to my art account below as well, so you can follow that if you're interested. And I will be posting some videos in the future, some start to finish videos of my sketches, and eventually some tutorials on how I've done some of my work and some of the techniques I've used, some things that have helped me along the way. So if you guys are interested, or you want to pick up a pencil like me and start, I highly recommend it. It is so much fun, so addicting, and you guys, it is affordable. It's limited supplies needed, really just a few different pencils that you need to get different values, and you can create amazing pieces and amazing sketches. So my focus is more on realism, so I'm doing portraits right now. Let me know, you guys, if you are drawing and you do want to learn, or you want to learn to draw and you want to know some videos. Just pop some, comments in the comment bar down below, and let me know what you guys would like to see in the future from me. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy my new journey here relating to drawing and portraits and charcoal, and perhaps I'll venture down watercoloring and painting and stuff down the road. So stay tuned. I hope you guys follow me still, and I miss you. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's up there. Bye.